Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Lisa, Best Life Lee, and today I'm going to show you a few of the pillow covers that I ordered from Amazon. These are, what I wanted was something to brighten up for the winter. It does have some flowers on it, but I do the buffalo check in my kitchen, in my dining room. The buffalo check accessories and my benches are covered with a buffalo check. So what I wanted to do is get something that had a buffalo check on it, and I thought these were quite pretty. So the first one that I want to show you is this one, and I thought that that was just so pretty. It's got the buffalo check and it's got the flowers, which are very kind of peachy and lavender and the eucalyptus, and it just will, I think, brighten up this room with because of everything that's sort of wintry in the room. So I really like this one, and this is what made me actually pick up this set. It's a set of two. This one is the truck with the farm fresh flower market. And I don't know, this one is cute for Valentine's Day because it does have the pinky red. They look like tulips, so it can stay up until spring. When I change everything out, I could even keep this one out all through spring. But I really like this one. This is what made me pick up this set. Now, speaking of Valentines, I got this pack of 4. And these are Valentines. Now, I don't typically decorate for Valentines. So this will just kind of have a couple of little touches around the house. And 2 of them I'll put up in the bedroom on the bed, and 2 of them I'll put out in the main living area. So I'll just show you them. So this is Loads of Love, special delivery, rose, chocolate, sugar, be mine. I think this is just so pretty. Special delivery with the little hearts. This one is just, this will probably be good for the bedroom. All of me loves all of you. I just think it's pretty. This one is True Love is Built Here. That might be pretty for the bedroom as well. And that can stay up till spring. And then this last one I think is just really, really pretty. And that will go down here in the main living area. And it's just a Valentine, hugs, kisses, flowers, chocolates. It's got the XO. And it's got the 1934. I don't know what the significance of that year is, but it's pretty cool. And I love flowers in bicycles. That's one of my favorite decor items. So the bicycle really got me. So that will be down here in the main living area, the 2 other ones. So these 2 will be in my main living area just to add some color and a little bit of a Valentine vibe. And then the others will go upstairs on the bed. And I'll show you them when I have them all placed in the house. When I just do a light iron on them and then place them around. So once I get them all situated, I will show you them and show you how they look. So that is my Valentine. That's the extent of the Valentine decorations in my house. So yeah, and one thing I would like to show you, if you would indulge me, I did recently my winter my winter 2-tiered tray, and I showed you my mantle that I had just kind of added a few winter things into. Well, if you've seen my other video about my above cabinets, I did my first Cricut wall decal. Well, last night I wanted to put something on my candle because I had turned the candle around because it was Christmassy, but I wanted to put something there for winter. So I just want to show you real quick what I ended up doing with my Cricut machine. I'm really loving this Cricut machine. And if you want to see something with my experimentation of the Cricut machine, just let me know in the comments and I will. But I'm going to show you what I added to the candle just to give it a nice winter vibe. So I'm going to show you that. I will show you the pillows at the end of this video. So thank you so much for watching, guys. Thanks for subscribing to my channel. If you're new, I hope you'll subscribe. I hope you'll hit that like button and I hope you'll come back. So thanks for watching, guys. Take care. Bye for now.
I lose my breath whenever I see you. You stole my heart, what is it that you do? My life was great till you added colors. Like the moon needs the sun, we don't care about the others. You set my world on fire. You're my heart's desire. I just wanna love you, just wanna hold you, just wanna be with you till we grow old. Please tell me you'll stay or take me away.